So hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel, and this is So hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is Sanjana and this is Muskan. She is a good friend of mine, actually not a friend, more than a sister. So today I'm going to do her makeup. So मुस्कान, तुम कैसा फील कर रही हो आज यहाँ आके?
हम तो बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं। और क्या बोले
हिंदी
बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं और हमको पता है माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा बनने वाला है वीडियो, क्योंकि हम आए हैं।
एंड तुम क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रही हो, कैसा होगा वीडियो? फाइनल लुक
बहुत अच्छा होगा।
सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा होगा नहीं?
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा होगा।
ठीक है। सो गाइस, तब तक के लिए लाइक करो वीडियो को, या फिर आप एंड तक भी देख के लाइक करो वीडियो। और तब तक के लिए जिन्होंने मेरा वीडियो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो लोग ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर ले। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। So I already did her brows and I primed her face, and now I'm color correcting her dark circles and blemishes with a dark shade of concealer, and then I will blend it very well. Now I will clean her brows with a concealer, and I will use the same concealer as a eyeshadow primer. Now I will take the shade from the Makeup Revolution palette and I will apply it all over her eyelids to set the concealer. I'm taking this eyeshadow from the same palette again and I'm applying it on a crease as a transition shade. I took these three shades from the New Nudes palette from the Maybelline New York and I will apply it one by one from the lightest to the darkest shade. Open eye. Feel the waves cut. Now I will take a black eyeshadow from the same palette and I will apply it on her outer V with a flat brush. Through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Now I will use the same brown shade which I used previously to kind of fade out the black eyeshadow from the middle. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Lights paint the skies, all because of you. Now I will cut her crease with the lightest shade of concealer I have with myself, and I will create a half cut crease through that. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. After that I will use this eyeshadow from the Maybelline New York palette and I will apply it exactly where I cut the crease. Now I am applying the same eyeshadows which I used on a crease previously to create a gradient look. So now when the eye look is almost completed, I will move on to her face and I am applying foundation. I will apply 2 coats of it to get the best coverage. Now I am contouring her face to give some structure to her face by using a contour stick firstly. Before blending the contour, I am applying some concealer to conceal her under eyes and to highlight her high tones. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the sky. Now I am baking the place where I applied the concealer and especially the under eye area because she has a oily skin type. Now I am using some bronzer to kind of enhance the structure of her face.
Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move.
Now I am taking some loose powder to dust off the translucent powder which I used for baking on her face. Then I will apply the loose powder on all over her face to set the makeup in place. Then I applied some blush to the apple of her cheeks to add some liveliness to her face. Then I took a setting spray to set her entire makeup. While the setting spray was damp, I applied some highlighter on her high tones. While the camera was off, I applied some black liner on the upper waterline and the lower waterline of her eyes. Now I am curling her lashes and then I will apply some mascara to complete her eye look. For the lips, I used the Maybelline Superstay lipstick in the shade Lover.
Okay, so hey you guys, this is the final look and I hope कि आप लोगों को भी अच्छा लगा and let's ask मुस्कान कि उसे कैसा लगा।
मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा।
So आपको भी कैसा लगा आप ज़रूर कमेंट में बताइए और तब तक के लिए वीडियो को लाइक करिए, कमेंट करिए और जितना हो सके उतना शेयर करिए और मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कीजिए एंड मैं अपना डिस्क्रिप्शन पे मुस्कान का भी आईडी का लिंक बताऊंगी इंस्टाग्राम का, सो उसे भी फॉलो कर लीजिएगा। सो तब तक के लिए सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो गाइस, लव यू ऑल।